Salutations! Let me start by saying ServiceNow have been brilliant at making their API publicly available and also provisioning us with demo instances to develop on. Great for testing and if you're an independent developer such as myself for creating new things within the ServiceNow platform. However, I have noticed that the demo instances they provide lack some of the core functionalities available in the full fat version of ServiceNow. In this video, I'll be taking a look at PRB1235648 and PRB1308602, discussed in the Knowledgebase article on screen, and how I got around the issues discussed in the Knowledgebase article. Now, in the article, it stated that the workaround is to create a new system property and giving it the value Helsinki. Unfortunately, I found the workaround had no impact on the issue for me. I attempted to use the workaround on both the London and Madrid versions of ServiceNow. Madrid is relatively new, so this may change in the future. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's fire up a new ServiceNow instance. As you can tell from my accent, I'm a bit biased, so we're going to go with London. Okay, let's grab that password string. Now, if you're watching this, I'm sure you use secure passwords. I tend to use alphanumeric strings for my passwords, something relatively complex that can't be easily guessed. One of the main factors causing the default Google Map applications from failing to operate is the fact that the system property for the Google Maps client is read-only. By default, it should have the value gme-servicenow. Also, you require a Google Maps key for the application to function correctly. So again, we see the error. Now, to obtain a Google Maps key is relatively simple. I will just do a search on the internet for Google Maps key. There will be some information on Hi as well. I do recall writing a Knowledgebase article for this subject myself, but it may not be publicly facing. And now to the workaround. We're just going to access the background scripts application. Oh, sorry, let me just correct myself there. So I've written this short script to run in the background that will force an update of the read-only Google Maps client property. And there you have it. Now, if we take a look at the Google Maps location application in ServiceNow, we still have the error. That's because I'm yet to install a valid Google Maps key. But no worries, we are making progress. Now, unlike the property for the client, the property for the Google Maps key is editable, and you can change it on a dev instance. However, I'm going to go to one that I made earlier, rather than type out the key string in front of you guys. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to grab the Google Maps key property and export it to XML. Once I've exported it to XML, I'm just going to import it back into the instance that I newly commissioned, and we'll see what happens. So back to the original instance that we commissioned. Let's now import the XML. Now you should be ready to develop your location-based application. If you found this video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.